English with kids. Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Be careful with that.
Be careful with that.
What do you want?
What do you want?
Please pick up your toys.
Please pick up your toys.
You will fall down.
You will fall down.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
Do you need water?
Do you need water?
Don't go there.
Don't go there.
Have you finished eating?
Have you finished eating?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Don't get wet in the rain.
Don't get wet in the rain.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Brush your teeth properly.
Brush your teeth properly.
Did you finish your homework?
Did you finish your homework?
Do you feel sleepy?
Do you feel sleepy?
Don't take the phone.
Don't take the phone.
Wear your hat.
Wear your hat.
Clean your nose.
Clean your nose.
Clean up your room.
Clean up your room.
Don't forget to flush.
Don't forget to flush.
Here's some candies for you.
Here's some candies for you.
Cover mouth when you cough.
Cover mouth when you cough.
This is for you.
This is for you.
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
It's time for Barth.
It's time for Barth.
What happened?
What happened?
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
Put your clothes in the laundry basket.
Put your clothes in the laundry basket.
Go and play.
Go and play.